Hey, what's up guys? This is your buddy Tiago here. Here I am changing another part here on my 96 GMC Sierra 6.5 diesel. Today we're going to tackle the glow plug relay back there. The part that I have here is a standard part RY383. That's from my local auto parts store. So this is the part here. You're going to need a 15 millimeter to remove these two bolts from the back, and this one over here we'll find out right now. I think that 13. All right, so 13, and then you just have the clip to undo from the 3 wires there. So let's get to it, guys, before we pull any wires out so you don't short out anything. Sure, that's it. It's connected. Go to the other side and do the same thing. 2 batteries on this truck. Tackle this one here. Oh, there's that side. Right up here. And this other one goes on that side there. Okay. Now, if we disconnect the battery from our truck, we wouldn't have any problem of shorting anything out. And when you take these 2 wires out, it's easier for you to get to the bolts here. Okay. All right, you got the other bolt. Try to get in there with your fingers. My sausage fingers. I have big fingers for some reason, I don't know why. Right there. Alright, we got a flat head, and then we just got to pull this little pin back and pull the wire. There it is. See that bracket there? That's on top. Why don't they just put the glow plug bracket on top of that bracket there? You love that? Don't you love that? That's awesome. Alright, so for the record, you gotta pull these 2 bolts here, this one and that one here, the 15 millimeter, to take that bracket out of on top of the other one. Alright, let me get to that. Alright, so after I move those 2 bolts, that one and that one, hopefully I'll be able to move this bracket out of the way. Alright. There it is. If I can get that. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Huh? There's a gift there for you. Make it any harder. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you push that pin up. And you can take that out. Alright, so putting it back on, pretty much the reverse. That one does like this. Alright, put it like that. I guess this thing is not necessary. Cut that off. I need a little stupid thing. Put this thing back on here. So then, this. For now. Put this back there. Put that bracket over that, and everything will be good. I'll put this one back. Put the other one there. The other one there in the back. Alright, a little tip here. If you need to put your bolt down like this over a screw, what you do is if you can't hold it, you just put a little caulking, like any little silicone or anything like that, just to hold it in place like this, just so you can go over there and screw it and come out so you don't lose it inside the engine. Alright, so here's your final product. You pull all the bolts back. Alright, we'll put the battery back on. Yeah. Just snug it up, you don't have to tighten it too much. Do the other side. Put this on the other side. Alright guys, the moment of truth. Keys here. Hopefully that weight, when that weight to start light will come on, that means that relay is working. Ta-da! It worked, and then the truck will start perfectly fine. Alright guys, if you're not yet, subscribe to my channel. I always put little videos like this to help guys with their cars or trucks or anything like that. Mostly it's trucks now, but subscribe if you like it. Give it a thumbs up, share. It will help a lot over here. Alright guys, thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye.